how to remove video audio background noise on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Gallery App. After click on Gallery App, click on Folder and click on Video. If you want to remove video background voice, click on this edit icon. After click on this edit icon, click on this music volume icon and click on it Android, sorry, audio eraser. After click on your audio eraser, so you will see if you want to remove video and audio background and video sound, turn off and click on copy save. And you will see video background sound is removed. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can remove video audio background noise on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.